Hey everyone, just want to create a quick video going over some new features and enhancements that just went live in Marketplace regarding creating custom lists as well as My Territories in the Metro Areas tab. So when you log into Dakota Marketplace and you make your way over to the Metro Areas tab, on the left hand side you will see My Territories. Here you can just click Add New and you now have the opportunity to create your own personal pipeline. So for this one, we will do Kevin's pipeline. For example, you're able to sector this off by metro area or state. We'll do metro area for this example, and we will just put in United States. Say my metro areas are New York City. We could do Boston, and we'll do Stanford, Northeast. Click Save. And you now have a visual of your own pipeline. So when you log into Marketplace, instead of going to the general metro areas tab and scrolling through and constantly going back to the pipeline that is specifically yours, you now have a location where you can see everything that matters to you in one spot. If you want to delete this pipeline, just click this X button. If you want to edit it, you could click this pencil. And if you have multiple territory pipelines, you could pin it with this function here. There's also a few other places that we have the custom list creation live right now as well, in the fund launches tab, all private funds tab, and the conferences tab. I can show you quickly here. As you can see on the top right, you have create new list and my conferences. Say that we are going to New York City soon and we want to see conferences that are in New York City coming up. We could filter by start date. So we got one on the 30th and May 11th. We got a few coming up. So let's just select these few and just turn this into my New York City conference list. Create the list. You click My Conferences over here to go back to it. And as you can see here, you could add to it. So if you just click any of these check boxes and you click this plus button, it'll add it to this list. If you want to edit it, you hit this pencil icon, and the same thing as before, you have the pin functionality here. If we click into our list, here you have your personal conference list that you created for yourself. Like I said before, fully functional on the All Private Funds tab, as you can see here, and the Fund Launches tab as well. This is just the beginning. We plan on bringing this platform-wide, so you'll have my list for accounts, contacts, searches, documents, investments, all of the above. I'm super excited about this functionality. Can't wait to hear your feedback and let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.